Hey, what's up, YouTube? If you're someone who's been frustrated with the removal of dislike counts on videos, you're not alone. A lot of people miss that feature, and today, I've got you covered with some ways to see YouTube dislikes again. So, if you're a YouTube creator and you want to check out the dislikes on your own videos, it's actually pretty simple. You need to go to YouTube Studio, then click on the Content tab. On the far right, you'll see a section called Likes versus Dislikes. It shows you exactly how many people dislike your videos. But what if you're not a creator and just a regular viewer? You can bring back the dislike count by using a free, open-source browser extension called Return YouTube Dislike. Simply download the extension on your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you're using, and you'll start seeing those dislike numbers again. The extension uses YouTube's API to show you dislike numbers. Now, what if you're on mobile? Well, mobile users aren't completely left out. Just like on desktop, you can use the Return YouTube Dislike app to bring back the dislikes, though it works a little differently on phones. All you have to do this time is download the app through Google or the store. Then you need to go to YouTube, choose the video you want, and share it with the app. This will show you the number of dislikes the video has. And there you have it. Let us know in the comments if you think YouTube should bring back the dislike count officially. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even dislike, just so you can see it, of course. See you in the next video.